Hello, my dear students. This is Sonia Kaushik, and today we are going to discuss class 10th reduced syllabus in this video. And in this video, I am going to tell you the syllabus for term 1 and term 2 with their marks distribution. So, let's start today's video. So, in class 10th, there will be chapter number 1, 2, and 3 from unit 1, chemical substances, their nature and behavior. Chapter number 6 from the unit 2nd, word of living. Chapter number 10 and 11 from unit natural phenomena, that is unit number 3rd. And this first unit will be of 16 marks in term 1, 10 marks for chapter 6, that is from unit 2, 14 marks for chapter 10 and 11, that will be from unit 3rd. So this will be the marks distribution in term 1, and the pattern will be MCQ. Next, in term 2, unit 1, chemical substances, nature and behavior. From this unit, chapter 4 and 5 will be there in syllabus of 10 marks weightage. And from unit 2, word of living, chapter number 8 and 9, that is having weightage of 13 marks. Unit 4, effects of current, chapter number 12 and 13, that is 12 marks in term 2. And unit 5, natural resources, chapter number 15, that will be of 5 marks in term 2. So total theory exam will be 80. In term 1, 10 marks internal assessment will be there. In term 2, 10 marks internal. So total 100 marks will be there in the whole year. In term 1, we are going to discuss detailed syllabus. So in term 1, there will be chapter 1, 2 and 3 from unit 1. And chapter 1 is chemical reaction and equation. Chapter 2, acid, bases and salt. Chapter number 3, metals and non-metals. From unit 2, the word of living, that is from biology, chapter life process will be there. And next, unit 3, chapter number 10, light, deflection and refraction, that is from physics. Chapter number 11, human eye and colorful world, again from physics. These chapter will be there. So these two chapters will be there from physics, reflection and reflection, human eye and colorful world. Life process is from biology, that is a lengthy chapter, thoda sa bada hai chapter. And 3 chapters from chemistry. This will 3 from chemistry, 1 from biology and 2 from physics in term 1. And if we talk about term 2, so chapter number 4 and 5 from unit 1, carbon and its compound, periodic classification of elements, will be there from unit 1. Chapter number 8, how do organisms reproduce. Chapter number 9, heredity and evolution, will be there from unit 2, the word of living. And chapter number 12, 13 from unit 4, effects of current. Chapter number 12, electricity. Chapter number 13, magnetic effect of current. And from unit 5, natural resources, chapter number 15, our environment, will be there. So how many chapters are there from biology and from chemistry, physics as well? Let me check. So this is carbon and its compound from chemistry, periodic table classification, that is from chemistry. How do organisms reproduce, biology. Heredity and evolution, biology. Electricity from physics, magnetic effect from physics, and this our environment again from biology. So total 2 from physics, 3 from biology, 2 from chemistry in term 2. And for internal assessment, there will be one chapter that will be only regarded for internal assessment, that is chapter number 16, management of natural resources. You have to make a project report or a portfolio on the same. Next, coming to the practicals for term 1 and term 2. So here is the list of experiment, that is finding the pH of following sample: HCl, NaOH, ethanoic acid, lemon juice, water, dilute hydrogen carbonate solution. And then study and property of acid base, HCl, NaOH, aqueous solution, zinc and sodium carbonate. Then performing the following reactions like combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement, double displacement reaction. You can use action of water on quicklime, action of heat on ferrous sulfate crystal, iron nails kept in copper sulfate solution, reaction between sodium sulfate and barium chloride solution. Then experiment number 3rd, observing the action of zinc, iron and copper, aluminium metals on the following salt solutions: ZnSO4, FeSO4, copper sulfate, aluminium sulfate. And next, arranging zinc, iron, copper, aluminium in decreasing order of their reactivity. Experiment number 4, to show carbon dioxide is given out during respiration. This is from biology. Experiment number 5, determination of focal length, concave mirror, convex lens by obtaining a mirror of image of distant object. Experiment number 6 is to trace the path of ray of light through rectangular glass slabs of different angles of incidence and measure the angle of incidence, angle of reflection, angle of emergence, and to interpret the result. And experiment number 7, to trace the path of rays of light through glass prism. Then we talk about a list of experiment from term 2. In term 2, there will be studying of dependence of potential difference across the register of current passing through it and determining its resistance. Also, you have to plot the graph between V and I, that is potential difference and current. To study binary fission in amoeba, budding in yeast and HIDA with the help of permanent prepared slides. So this is the syllabus for term 1 and term 2. Here is your practical as well as theory syllabus. I hope this video will be helpful for you all, and I will also give the link in description box so you can check your syllabus as well in the PDF. So this is all about your reduced syllabus, your updated syllabus for session 2021. Bye everyone.